Hello, my name is Ashlyn Smith, and over the next few minutes, I am going to do a RISE self-evaluation based off my time in web design. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a look at my, right now, finished web page. So here is the desktop view of my home page, and here is the mobile view. I did want to add in that I have made a lot of corrections, if you will, and just added the details to the mobile site as well. But reflecting back, I had a great time. How did my attitude, logic, and behavior influence my time here? It was an amazing experience. I absolutely loved learning about Google Trends and how to make the user experience just absolutely fantastic when people visit my site. As I started working on my projects, I realized I wanted to learn more about the user experience and Google Trends. I updated and made a lot of corrections based off of my peer and professor feedback, but one of the biggest things is here in my portfolio that has to do with the Google Trends is the labeling and the naming of your art. So these actually pop up on Google Trends. So I will be constantly looking and editing, adding to, subtracting to make sure my site stays relevant, not only in content, but what is being searched. So if I had more time, we're on S for suggest, I would probably take more time in labeling and adding some more descriptions, which I do have more time, not in this course, but again, this is a revolving door with this website. So I will take some time and add a little bit more of description to my stuff, to my works, and kind of leave the design elements for a next view. Elevating, how will I use this in my career? If the pandemic has taught us anything, it's everything right now is web-based. So literally my website is my first impression. So keeping this updated, keeping this relevant, keeping this true to who I am and what I want to become is so important. And I spent a lot of free time taking the time to really look at this site and taking the time to make those little corrections, such as the fonts and the user experience, and just making sure everything is just aesthetically pleasing and true to who I want to represent myself as. So this will be an awesome resource moving forward in my professional career. I had an absolutely wonderful time in this class. I learned so much, and yes, thank you so much for taking the time with me. So yeah, check out my mobile site or my desktop view of my site, Dively, and thank you so much for your time.